Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at the mini lathe. My control back here, the lever for changing the gear train from forward to reverse needs addressed. While I'm at it, I want to go ahead and adjust my carriage. Every once in a while, especially after doing a lot of pushing, machine beyond its limit, things loosen up, so it's kind of a tune-up on the carriage and some kind of resolution to the reverse lever, forward and reverse lever on the gear drive. Now we're going to have to take the we're going to have to get the lathe off of this table, or at least unattached. So we're going to need a 10 millimeter. And I will bring you back when we get those, get that thing detached from the table. Okay, we got that thing detached, and it's almost silly how small this thing is. I'm going to have to free the cord up a little bit to bring that end around. I have that cord fished back behind that siding, so I'm not sure. Not sure what the what we're going to be able to hold. Okay, we're going to have to work from there, I think. I'm not going to... So here's the dealie right here. I'm going to go ahead and put this on high to get that out of my way. So we have this position here, and then that position, and all the way up here. And this is the position it's coming unlocked from. The spring tension on there is insane. Well, that's not insane, but it's plenty adequate to keep that thing engaged. I want to try to keep that hole as contoured, you know, beveled as it is. So I imagine I'll go in with a small drill and then maybe gradually come up in size. Okay, here goes a 3/32, which is bigger than I thought. I want to get the angle right. So I'm going to be going well, that's pretty thin. Went right through the casing. And that might have done it. Let's I think that might have taken care of the problem. Let's see if we can plug this thing in. I doubt we can because I shortened the cord up so much. Okay, let's just okay, so the problem we were having was this thing popping out of gear when I engaged the half nut. So, still not plugged in. Okay, here we go. Okay. Let's try the other direction. You're not going anywhere. Okay, here's the bottom of my apron, and these are the adjustments I need to adjust for sliding up and down here. Now this is something that I made here, and it actually show you how it works. On the other side, there's basically just this plate with 3 cap head screws and 2 jack screws. So what I made was this plate with 4 ball bearings contacting the bottom of the ways, and 2 ball bearings contacting the edge with grub screws for setting those. So it looks like it might be time to clean those up and to clean this whole situation up. This is my lock, my carriage lock, which over here. So get my hands cleaned up a little bit, and I'm gonna go ahead and get this all cleaned up, and hopefully our goal is to get this thing running optimally once again. There's a little better picture of my adjusting situation. Those are all still rolling. I did make one of these for the other side, but I made it for over here. But I made it backwards initially, and I didn't. The clearance I made in it to go over this axle, I put on the wrong side. So I kind of scrapped that idea. So for right now, we'll get this all cleaned up, and I'll bring you back when we start reassembling. Okay, we're just about back down on the table. Let's get quick change tool post back up. Let's get rid of this parting blade. And let's get let's try some high-speed steel. It's a nice big radius. And then we'll go ahead and get that tool squared up. See if I can find a chuck key. There we go. Life hasn't changed that much. And let's find some material to turn. We'll just start off with a piece of aluminum. And this will get you up on another mount. Kind of excited. This is really the, haven't run the lathe hardly at all since getting the cutter grinder. So let's pull this off first and do a little facing. A lot of facing. Tool height's good. Find my aluminum cutting fluid. Okay, I'm gonna set this 25 thousandths. Close enough. I'm going to take 50 thousandths now, take this to 75. So when I hit that shoulder, we'll be jumping up to 75 thousandths. And there's 75 thousandths. Now I'm going to do a 0, and I'm going to do 10 thousandths. And engage the auto feed. Okay, there's 10 thousandths. Let's do 25 auto. 27.